Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and we're here with another video. And we're going to be playing with the Nudie Patootie palette that my sister got me a while back. She got me this bundle and I still am yet to play with it because I wanted to film a video with you guys. But we're gonna create an amazing look with this palette today, guys. Let's just sit back, have fun, watch, or even join me and play with some makeup today as well, because since this has been out for a while, I'm pretty sure a few of you guys do have the palette and just want to like see what other looks you guys can create with this. This is the palette, and then as you open it, you have all of your colors. We have Stark, Undressed, Topless, Streaking, Undercover, Strip, Bare, Exposed, All Natural, Reveal, Jaybird, Butt Naked, Buff, and Naked. So those are all the colors. This is like so pretty. Yeah, something that you can probably use every day. I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face. Oh, this smells so good. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I've been using recently. I've been trying out because I've been looking at it forever and I just haven't bought it, and then I finally decided to buy them. But it smells like cucumbers. It's from Fourth Ray, and this one is Rainfall. It's a 2% hyaluronic acid serum. On top of using this one, I've been using this entire set. It's called Seriously Good Serums, and it comes with Reveal, Radiate, Remedy, and Rainfall. I've really been enjoying these, especially if you're like trying to find something affordable. So while that's getting ready, we're gonna hop into eyes, because that's usually what I do. I do my eyes first and then I do my face. So I'm going to grab another one of my favorites. It's very affordable too, and it is the PRO.Conceal, and I got it in the color Peach Corrector because, like I said, I have like a lot of pigments in my eyes and I like to try to brighten that up a little bit. I just feel like it's better for me and my lids that are like for some reason very pigmented in like reds and purples. So the peach color seems to be the one that does the job for me. So I'm going to take like a more fluffier brush and go ahead and add that strip. So I'm going to go ahead and add that on too. And I'm probably going to like, I'm going to start in the crease, and then I'm going to, as I put it all in, I'm going to also fluff it up a little bit. Just gonna we're gonna take another brush and we're gonna go in with Bare, and I'm gonna take more of like like this one, something a little bit more detailed. So we're gonna go into Bare, which is this one right here. And then I'm going to focus this one more in the crease. So in the actual crease, and then like towards the inside. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I tend to flick like my makeup out and like create that wing naturally, instead of going with liner lots of times, because I don't know, it's just like I tend to like that a lot, just like creating that like effect. Just like, I'm just gonna take Butt Naked. I really don't want to darken it so much. So like I'm just like tapping it, adding the color, and put that and swiping it away. And then if anything, I can just clean up the lines later. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this beautiful color called Jaybird. So I'm taking Jaybird and I'm going to put it in my lid more towards the middle. Now we're going to go ahead and take Topless and put it on my inner corner. And I'm going to put Stark in the middle just to lighten it up a little bit more, because this is pretty, but I definitely want something more pop. I have the whole upper lid finito done. So I'm going to take that same color Bare with a more flat brush and I'm going to put it at the bottom. So since we're putting it alone, it's definitely going to pop more than when it's mixed with the yellows and the brown in the top lid. Eyes are almost done. We're going to go ahead and do some liner and mascara. I'm just going to try something new. I had bought the Colourpop liquid liner in the color Numero 1. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did my liner and I did my mascara. So onto our face. First of all, we're gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation. I'm hoping I have the right color. I know this is like older foundation, but I per se haven't used it in a long time. Okay, so foundation is good. I'm gonna take Light 18 from the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I'm gonna pop this in here. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my Coty Airspun loose face powder. Woo! Loose face powder, loose face powder, loose face powder. And I kind of learned last time when I used this that I like it in this little powder puff that it brings. Like it brings a little powder puff. And I feel like that helped more than the usual, like just with the sponge. I don't know, but I liked the way it left like my skin looking. Today I'm also using this highlight and contour palette by IBY Beauty. We're going to take the color Contour 1. Next, what's next? Highlight and then lips. Finally, we're going to take this Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder in the color Precious Petals. I kind of really love this brush for a highlighter. It says precision foundation brush, but I use it for my highlight. It's the Luxie 660. So we're gonna go ahead and dig in here a little bit and apply. Oh, that's pretty. Let me wipe my lips. Okay, so this one is called Nakey Nakey. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so this is Nakey Nakey. This is what it looks like. But on me, it looks like I'm sick. So this is a color I will definitely always put in the center of my lipsticks. Next, I'm going to take Jaybird. I'm going to take Jaybird next. And that is what it looks like. This one I definitely would wear by itself. I really love it. So we're gonna take Topless next, and we're gonna open her up. Okay, so this is Topless. And I definitely like it a lot. Like I said, I like all three of them. But for sure, I could wear these two by themselves. I can use Jaybird and Topless by themselves. Unfortunately, I'm pale, but I'm not pale enough to wear this one by itself. So I would definitely put it on top of these two. This was basically like a Laura Lee review for her palette, which I loved. I have to play with it more, obviously, but it's like I also did a full impression of other stuff because I went ahead and used the IBY Beauty Highlight&Contour, which I only used the darker shades to like bronze up my face and contour. Then I went ahead and did a oldie but goodie because I've used this before, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, like back in the day in high school. When I had dance, this is literally what I would use because I would steal my mom's. And then like whenever I really needed to, then me and my sister finally went and got some of this. And then I put on the Wet n Wild Precious Petals, which is also like ended up really being really nice. So I tried out like 3 things for you guys that were new. Well, 4 if you want to count the one that I already like, but was like, let me try it again. So those are really nice. What else? Oh yes, I also tried out the Colourpop liner, so like that one was good. But yeah, it's like full face of random new, not new stuff, but I'm trying it on stuff, and that Laura Lee palette. Anyways guys, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me speaking to you. See you on the next one.